Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Google Maps for walking and navigation. So let's get right into it. Now, to use Maps for walking and navigation, it's best to use the mobile version for this since it has the most built-in systems to track you while you're walking and to provide real-time information on where you need to go and to locate yourself in real time. Now you can use, of course, your PC, however, that is a stationary point, but it also does provide some general information. So I'll explain here on the PC first, and then I'll explain the other things you have on mobile. So let's get right into it. And for example, let's say I want to walk from the Rockefeller Center over here to West 65th and Central Park West. And let's just select the Rockefeller Center. I'll select it, right click it in directions from here, and then I'm gonna select the junction at West 65th and Central Park West. So I'll just click here, and that for some reason, let me try this again. For some reason it glitched out. I'll right click on the Rockefeller Center, directions from here, and now I'm gonna go over into this junction, and there we go. And as you can see, it's showing me the closest possible route, but it is showing me the car route or the driving route. Whereas for walking, you can click on the walking character and it'll show you a different route. And it'll show you some two other routes or two or three other alternative routes with, well, lighter colored tracks. And as you can see, now you can find that route. And that's pretty much it for the PC. Now on your mobile, if you have your location on, you can tap whichever location you would like, tap directions or start, and select the walking mode, and it'll show you your real-time position as well as any voice commands you might want to hear from it, or voice suggestions and instructions, and it'll pretty much just make it easier to navigate. You can also use live view if it's available to you when you select walking directions. For me, it's not available for some reason, but it'll give you well, instructions on how to get somewhere. You can scan your current surroundings and then it'll give you instructions on where to turn, and you can turn off the screen, keep it in your pocket, and it'll give you a signal when the next command is up to be followed. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.